Good morning, dear kids. Dear kids, today we will read our chapter 10th, The Big Baboon. And this is a poem. And what is the name of the poem? The Big Baboon. And poet of this poem is Hilaire Belloc. Who is the poet of this poem? Hilaire Belloc. Hilaire, Hilaire, Belloc, Belloc. Clear? So, dear kids, what is in this poem? This poem, as you can see in this picture, is about Big Baboon. Clear? How it looks, what it does. So, now we will read the poem. The Big Baboon. What is the meaning of baboon? Baboon means a large monkey with a long face. A large monkey with a long face. The big baboon is found upon the plains of Caribou. He goes about with nothing on, a shocking thing to do. The big baboon is found upon the plains of Caribou. जो बिग बबून है वो पाया जाता है कहाँ पर? प्लेन्स ऑफ कैरिबू. वट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ प्लेन्स? प्लेन्स मीन्स अ लार्ज एरिया ऑफ फ्लैट लैंड. फ्लैट लैंड का बहुत बड़ा एरिया मीन्स मैदान. ऑफ कैरिबू. कैरिबू मीन्स अ प्लेस इन ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया इन कनाडा. कनाडा में जो ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया जो प्लेस है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड कैरिबू. So, where big baboon is found? Big baboon is found upon the plains of Caribou. The plains of Caribou. He goes about with nothing on, a shocking thing to do. He goes, वो जाता है, about with nothing on, यानी कि he goes about nothing on means without wearing anything, without wearing anything, and that is a shocking thing to do. और पोइट के लिए शॉकिंग थिंग क्या है? पोइट के लिए शॉकिंग थिंग ये है, सरप्राइजिंग थिंग ये है कि जो बिग बबून है ही गोज अबाउट वियरिंग नथिंग, वो बिना कुछ पहने क्या करता है? वो बाहर जाता है. दैट इज़ अ शॉकिंग थिंग फॉर द पोइट. What is in next stanza? In next stanza, the poet says, but if he dressed respectably and let his whiskers grow, how like this big baboon would be to Mr. So and so. So, what is in this stanza? In this stanza, the poet says, but if he dressed respectably. Respectably means in a way people find acceptable and good. In a way people find respectable, acceptable and good, यानी कि जब वो ड्रेस डालेगा अच्छे तरीके से, रिस्पेक्टेबली मैनर से, एंड लेट हिज विस्कर्स ग्रो. विस्कर्स क्या होती हैं? विस्कर्स होते हैं जो एनिमल्स के माउथ पे जो नोज़ के पास जो हेयर होते हैं ना, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड विस्कर्स. इट इज़ गिवन इन मीनिंग ऑल्सो द लॉन्ग स्टिफ हेयर ऑन द फेस ऑफ एन एनिमल. एक एनिमल के फेस के ऊपर जो लॉन्ग स्टिफ हेयर हैं दैट इज़ कॉल्ड विस्कर्स. और अगर पोइट कहता है कि इफ द baboon dressed respectably, it is shown in the picture also. Baboon is wearing a beautiful dress na, and let his whiskers grow. और वो अगर अपनी whiskers को grow करता है, अगर वो respectably manner से ड्रेसअप होता है और अपनी whiskers को grow करता है, हाउ लाइक दिस बिग बबून वुड बी। और इमेजिन करके देखो, इमेजिन करो कि वो बिग बबून कैसा होगा। व्हेन इफ ही ड्रेस्ड रिस्पेक्टेबली एंड लेट हिज विस्कर्स ग्रो। हाउ लाइक दिस बिग बबून वुड बी to Mr. So and so. Mr. So and so means a gentleman. पोइट क्या कहता है कि अगर बिग बबून को अच्छे तरीके से ड्रेसअप किया जाए और उसके विस्कर्स को बढ़ा दिया जाए, यानी कि वो विस्कर्स को बड़ा कर ले, तो ही विल लुक लाइक अ जेंटलमैन. सो what is in this poem? In this poem, the poet is saying that the big baboon is found upon the plains of Caribou, and it is a shocking thing for the poet if he goes about wearing nothing. But the poet imagined that if baboon dress up respectably and let his whiskers grow, he will look like a gentleman. Clear? So dear kids, it was your poem, The Big Baboon. I hope you have clearly understood. If you have any kind of query, you can write in a comment box. Dear students, now we will do keywords. So, our lesson is 10th and this is a poem. What is the name of the poem? The Big Baboon. And poet of this poem is Hilaire Belloc. H-I-L-A-I-R-E, Hilaire, B-E-L-L-O-C, Belloc. Keywords. Dear kids, in this poem there are 8 keywords. So let's do. Our first is B-A-B-O-O-N, baboon. What is first? Baboon. Baboon means a large monkey with a long face. What is meaning of baboon? A large monkey with a long face. Second is plains. P-L-A-I-N-A-S, plains. Plains means a large area of a flat land, means मैदान. Third is caribou. C-A-R-I-B-O-O, caribou. Caribou means a place in British Columbia. A place in British Columbia. Fourth is shocking. S-H-O-C-K-I-N-G, shocking. Shocking means surprising, surprise करने वाला. Clear? हैरान करने वाला means causing a feeling of surprise. Fifth is dressed. D-R-E-S-S-E-D, dressed. Sixth is respectably. R-E-S-P-E-C-T-A-B-L-Y, respectably means in a way that is regarded by society to be good. That is regarded by society to be good. Seventh is whiskers. What is seventh? Whiskers. W-H-I-S-K-E-R-S. Whiskers means the long stiff hair on the face of an animal. The long stiff hair on the face of an animal. Clear? Eighth is Mr. M-I-S-T-E-R, Mr. First is baboon. Second plains. Third caribou. Fourth shocking. Fifth dressed. Sixth respectably. 7 whiskers. 8 Mr. So dear kids, these were keywords. So it is all for today. We will meet tomorrow. Till then, have a nice day. Stay safe and thank you.